This is the elevator at 75 Coconut Avenue in Sarasota, Florida. It's a Mowrey with Adam's call button. Slow door. Does that work? Does. Finished after. Innovation. That's weird. Those are obviously replacements. They originally had the plastic buttons, like sunburn, like the colon cancer fire. So that must have been recent. Otherwise, that was probably in the summer as well. It's really hot in this elevator. There's no ventilation at all. Here too. There's your Innovation Hotel. The indicator's missing. There's nothing even in that. That's a California Adams, or maybe not California. I think it's only one off. Let's go back to the one. To be honest, I think the controller was replaced. It acts like a different kind, like a smart riser or something. 88 phone, maybe motion. MC. It's a basic black cabin, which is a stupid idea in Florida. Here back at one, especially outside, LED little lights. Yeah, these are innovation. Those are the Mowrey plastic buttons, which could be GAL. Or those, I don't know. Yeah, places not going to be it.